Hi everyone, my name is Natalia and I'm so excited to tell you that my Udemy course is finally live on the marketplace and I have a discount just for you. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You can find a discount for my course, Integrated Marketing Foundations, in the description of this video. So let me just give you a quick recap of what the course is about to make sure it's right for you. This course will break down what integrated marketing is, take you through the evolution of integrated marketing from past to present, and teach you how to launch a strategic integrated marketing campaign from start to finish. I'll also teach you the benefits and principles of integrated marketing, guide you step by step through the campaign planning process, including how to write marketing project and creative briefs, teach you how to give constructive creative feedback, as well as how to work with creative teams or agencies. I've even included brief templates and guides throughout the course to help you as you go. By the end of the course, you'll be able to advocate for and explain how integrated marketing campaigns can excel your business's performance, as well as be able to create and launch an integrated marketing campaign, analyze it, and share it with your manager, team, and company. I designed this course for beginner to intermediate marketers who want to learn more about marketing, maintain brand identity to improve the customer experience, and boost overall company revenue. Or for marketers of any level who want to learn more about integrated marketing, as well as the small business owner that may not have a large marketing team or one at all and needs to be able to launch a strategic marketing campaign in-house. You'll need to have some basic knowledge of marketing and marketing terminology to take this course, but I do include definition reminders and tips throughout to help you. And of course, you have this channel and my videos to help guide you and get you up to speed. Thank you so much for learning more about my course. I really hope you all enroll. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel so you can keep learning more about integrated marketing and overall general marketing strategy. I really want to see you guys in my course. Thank you so much for watching.